Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. It's December 9th. I'm Phil with the TradeLab Discord, and I want to spend a few minutes going over how some of our alerts went today and how the SRX Support and Resistance indicator worked today. So if you're new to my channel or you don't know anything about TradeLab, we're a Discord. It's co-owned by me, Lance, and Russell. And Lance and I offer a service where we do credit spreads. Lance does one around 10 a.m. Eastern time each day, and his was a winner today. And I do one around 10:40 a.m. Eastern time, and mine was also a winner today. So that's one of our services, these credit spreads. If that's a little too advanced for you, we also have a system called SPY ATM alerts. And this is where you buy a simple call or a put at 10:30 a.m. Eastern. We give you the take profit, we give you the stop loss, and we even tell you how many contracts you should do based on your account size to make sure that you're sized properly. This was also a winner today, and we'll jump into more of that in a minute. And our latest service is the SRX Support and Resistance System. You get a message on Discord at 9:50 a.m. You get up to 4 support and resistance levels. You can easily just hit this button. It copies all of this data and you can paste it into a TradingView indicator. And that not only puts the levels on your chart automatically, but it also adds a few extra features. Like you've got this dynamic zone around each one of the levels here, and that changes daily. It's based on volatility. And we also have buy and sell ideas. Now, I don't have our typical buy and sell ideas on here right now. The diamonds that you're seeing is something that I am testing, and I'm very excited about it. And this is going to be a first look at that system. And this line right here that changes from green to red, this is something that I'm also testing right now. So let's head over to the post your profits section. We had tons of awesome plays today. So you could see 17-second play here. This is from Aiden, and he went 84 to 96. This is a 38-second play. This is from a bad trader. That's his screen name on Discord. He's actually not a bad trader. He's a very good trader. But he went 133 to 155. And then you see people posting their profits on the for the SPY ATM play. And these are my profits for SPY ATM, 101 to 125. And I say holding a runner to the moon. And this is because at 11:08, I had an indication that we were going to go up, and we definitely did. I think I took profits up here somewhere. So if we scroll down here, yep, just about 10 minutes later, 54% on my runner, 101 to 156. So if you're part of SPY ATM and you have a little bit of time to watch the charts, I definitely recommend jumping into SRX. It can help you hold on to some of your trade to try and make some more money. I more than doubled my SPY ATM play today. Then you have more people talking about SPY ATM here. Let's see, we've got Zip Tie Engineer. He did the trifecta today. He was in SPY ATM 108 to 125. And then he was in my put credit spread. And if you don't know anything about credit spreads, you want the final number to be lower than the beginning number because you're getting in for a credit and then you have to buy it back later. So this is good, 0.6 to 0.15. In credit spread world, that is good. So he made 90 bucks on this play right here. And then he had a couple of SRX trades, 84 to 91 and 93 to 101. And then I come back for a little scalp in the afternoon, 102 to 113. Barry says he had 9 scalps today and 8 were winners. And Celtic did a big drop of his plays today, 84 to 96, 130 to 156 and 152, 124 to 131 and 137, 106 to 112 and 117, and 121 to 128 and 129. And if you look at the timestamps on these, he's in and out of these trades within a minute or two. So fantastic plays today all around. But let me show you what I've been working on with the indicator. If you watched my video yesterday, one of the things that I like to play are the break and retests. So what is a break and retest? A break and retest is what you see here. We are below this yellow line. We break up over it. We fall back and retest it, but then we close above it, and that's your entry. And the blue diamonds here are the bullish plays, and the purple are the bearish plays. And I think all of these worked out today. And even this one was against the trend. You can see we've got the green here, but they still worked out. If you jumped in on this one, you could have went all the way down 62, 63 cents on SPY. That's definitely a 20% play if you're doing an at the money contract. And then you had another one right there. And then you had this blue signal here, and that went up 0.11%, 76 cents on SPY. So great trade there. Then you had these two right here. So if you got in on this, you actually could have rode this all the way down. That R1 level broke, and we went all the way back down almost to S1, but we stopped right on the pre-market low. So depending on where you take that, that is a monster trade. That's up to over $1.50 on SPY. So you can see how well these levels are respected whenever we get near them, especially these ones. This is your S1, this is your R1. When we get near these, it tends to hang around there. It's almost like a magnet for a little while. So with traditional support and resistance, you might look at playing things like bounces or rejections, and you certainly can do that with this. But I think what has the higher win rate would be the break and retest. And so that's what you're seeing here. This one, for example, we were above the pre-market, then we broke below, we tested it and rejected, and you get your signal. So yeah, a lot of good plays here. We can go back and look at yesterday. In yesterday's video, I went over several of these. These were really good plays. You wouldn't have gotten this one because we start at 950. So this would be the signal right here that you'd get. And that went down from S1, and it just went all the way down to S4. And then you do get a signal right here, but our coloring here on the trend is red, so you'd want to proceed with caution or skip that one. And if you miss this, you had two more chances to enter and even another chance here. So we still had plenty of room to go down. And then we come back up, and then you have another chance to enter right here, and it goes down. And then we're stuck in chop here. You could have taken these little plays right here. You can scalp them. And with this one, we didn't have the green signal here. And you can see when this is flattening out, this is probably not a time to get in. After 3 o'clock is just not a great time to play the support and resistance system. A lot of great things going on here. I think you guys are really going to like what I'm working on behind the scenes. I think these diamonds are really going to be a game changer, and I have high hopes for this trend filter as well. So yeah, a great day all around. We had 2 credit spreads that won, SPY ATM won, and all of these SRX plays. So again, links are in the description. Hope you come and join us, check us out, read more about it. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to help you. All right, have a good day, everyone. We'll see you back here tomorrow.